Hi everyone, good evening. First of all, welcome to everyone in our webinar. Okay, so my name is Ankush Mangotra. I am working as a customer support executive. Okay, so today topic is the life cycle of the ticket from creation to close. Okay, so how we can manage the tickets from in the ticketing software. Okay, so we will guide you regarding this. So in this process, we have some points. We can manage efficiency and productivity. We can check better customer experience. We can also do one thing, accountability and tracking. We can also manage data-driven and decisions. Okay, so before starting the topic, let me introduce about Faveo. So basically, Faveo started its journey in 2009, okay, and in 2000, October 2015, we developed an Helpdesk Community Edition, released Community Editions, okay, and in 2016, April 2016, we released Helpdesk Enterprise, and in 2000 April to 2016, we released Service Desk also. Service Desk Enterprise. So Helpdesk Enterprise basically used for to handle the customer queries and customer clients. Okay, so we can manage all those queries raised by the clients. We can manage all those things in on the Helpdesk software. And in Service Desk, we can manage our assets and other things. Assets like router, like computers, like laptop, and switches, other things. We can manage all those things in this Service Desk module. Service Desk product. Okay, so this is our Fabio website page. Then come to the next slide. So we also certified from ITL. We also high performer for on the software suggest and Captera. Okay. So today agenda is the life cycle of ticket from creation to closure. So in this topic, we will show the process how to manage your tickets in the Fabio Helpdesk. So first of all, overview of Faveo ticketing software. What is Faveo ticketing software? Faveo helps follow structured life cycle for ticket, ensuring smooth tracking and resolution of the customer issues. So in this software, we can manage the customer queries. If client raising any concerns and other complaints, they can register their complaints on the port on the email, and email will converted into tickets in your system. Once you integrate your email with the Fabio Helpdesk, it will create a ticket in your system with unique ID. Okay, so in this software, we have some points. Helpdesk software for efficient ticket manager. We can manage the ticket smoothly. We can also manage our small business and big business with this. Okay, and third one is we have automation and reporting feature in this software, so we can also manage some things automation mode, and we can also getting reports automatically from the Fabio. And so to the next slide. So why we need to understand the life cycle of the tickets? Okay, why we need to understand why it's necessary for us. So it help us to so in the first one you can see we can efficiency and productivity. It ensure team can handle issue systematically. If we have if the client raised concerns with different issues, so we can manage all those things in the ticketing software systematically. Okay, so better customer experience, reduce time response time, and improve satisfactions. We can manage with we can manage with within specific time frame. We can manage client issues within specific time frames. We can respond over the tickets and with it within a time, we can resolve the ticket within a time. All those things we can manage. Okay, so it will help us to uh, satisfy our clients. Then we have accountability and tracking. It's so accountability tracking, we can we have there is option, we can manage all our records in, and we can manage all those records in better way. Okay, and data driven and decision. In data driven decision, we can also check that reoccurring issues, we can identify reoccurring issues, we can optimize the process and all those things. So then comes to the next slide. Key action to close the open tickets. So we have 7 key action to close the open tickets. So first one is ticket creation. Okay. And we second one is ticket assignment. Third one is ticket processing. Fourth one is SLA escalation handling. Fifth one is resolution customer confirmation. Sixth one is ticket closure, and seventh is reporting and analysis. So we will explain all those key points one by one. Okay. So first of all, source of the ticket creation, where we get the ticket, where we clients can raise ticket from multiple channels. So we have Faveo has integration with multiple channels. Okay, so we have integration with WhatsApp, email, Tag, Twitter, telephonically, Instagram. We can also raise a ticket from API. We can also raise a ticket from Facebook. Okay, so in tickets we capture some basic details like subject, description, priority, and category. Once a ticket is created, a unique ID will be signed on the ticket. Okay, so this is the source of the ticket creation. There we have multi-channel integration. Then come to the next slide. So first point is ticket assignment. First point is ticket creation, and second one is ticket assignments. Once the ticket is created, then we assign a dedicated agent to resolve the ticket, to respond over the ticket. Okay. So we have two methods for assign the tickets. First one, we have manual assignment, we have automated assignments. In manual assignment, admin or leads or supervisor assign a ticket to specify agent based on the expertise, okay, based on the requirement. Okay, so it depends on the raised issue, what kind of issue client raised. So our admin or our leads will assign that ticket to particular agent to resolve. Okay, then we have automated assignment. Automated assignment, Fabio can automatically assign a ticket using round robin method. So if I will check the load balancing, will check the department by assignment, round robin method. There is different method we have to assign the tickets. We can also assign a ticket location wise. Okay. So in the first screenshot, you can see the manual assignment. We can assign ticket manually. We have an option for agent, team, and assign to ourselves. Okay. Now, once you click on the team, you in the second search bar, you can see the option to select the team and select the agent. Okay, then you can assign the tickets particular agent. Okay, then second screenshot for auto assignment, we have location based assignment, auto assignment, we have department based assignment, we have option to at a time on agent can work how many tickets. Okay, so we can manage all those things from the admin panel. So this is the ticket assignment. Then we have ticket processing and investigation communication. Once the ticket is assigned to particular agents, then agents will start working on the ticket, investigate the issue, and interacting with customer. Okay, so once the ticket is assigned, the agent will start the troubleshooting. Okay, will start to understand the issue, what kind of issue they are facing. Okay, so some possible actions by the agent. So request from information. So if details are missing, agent reach out to the customer for clarification. If the agent not able to understand the query raised by client, so in that case they can approach to the client to elaborate the issue, or They can approach, agent can approach to the client to connect with them to understand the issue, what kind of issue they are facing. Then they will provide the resolution. Okay, then we have once the agent understand the issue, then he will provide the solution for that. If the issue is straightforward, the agent responds with the resolution. If the ticket is some critical issue, then they will troubleshooting on our end. Okay, then we have an option for collaboration and internal notes. Agents can add other team members in the tickets, and they can also add internal note for internal communication. Okay, then we have an option for escalation. Escalation if needed. If the issue is complex, if the issue is critical, in that case, the agent can forward the ticket to senior authority, another department. Okay, they can escalate the ticket on our end. Okay, if the issue is big. So then some key action in these steps. Every interaction is logged in this ticket history. Once the agent start working on the tickets, and they will add internal notes, they will change the status, they will do other things on the ticket. It will record it on the ticket. In the ticket activity, we can see all those things. What agents did on the tickets. So all those things will recorded on the tickets in the ticket activity. Then the customer receive update when a response is added. Once the client replies on the ticket, or agent replies on the ticket, it will client will receive the notification, agents will receive the notification. Okay, then we have the ticket status change based on progress. We have a status option. We can change the status in progress, waiting, customer waiting for client response. You can add more status here. You can customize your status as per your requirement. So this is the overview of the ticket section. Once the ticket is open, then you can see the options. First one is the unique ID number. Okay, you can also manage this prefix from the admin panel. Okay, you can manage this. You can add your own prefix in the ticket from the admin panel. You can reconfigure. You can, if you want department wise prefix, you can also add those prefixes. Okay, then we have some more options. We have add note. If you want to communicate with your internal team, then you can choose the internal note. So you can add the internal note on the tickets. Then we have a option. You can reply over the ticket. This is the agent response. This is the client response. Okay, in the right side, you can see the ticket field area. You can view the ticket fields, tickets created by which customer, the assignee agent, source, priority, department, SLA plans. You can edit the ticket from here. You can assign the ticket from here. You can change the status from the change status option. Okay, so this is the inside view of the ticket. Then we have SLA escalation handling. In escalation handling, we have first of all, what is SLA? SLA is a service level agreement which is signed during the onboarding meeting. Okay, and so companies will provide a SLA to their clients in which time your issues will be resolved. If the issue is minor, major, or critical, how much time will take to resolve, or all those things mentioned in the SLA plans. Okay, SLA document. So in the escalation triggers, we have some points. First one, if the response is given in the mentioned time frame. Okay, so in that case, the issue will not escalate to a higher authority. If the response is not given within a time frame, then it will be escalated. Okay, and second one, if the issue is not resolved within a time frame, in that case, the issue will also escalate to higher authority. So in some cases, the customer demands to escalate the issue. If the issue is pending from long time, in that case, the customer demands to escalate the issue to higher authority. In that case, agent escalate the issue internally to higher authority to resolve the issue on priority. Then escalation action. In escalation action, the system automatically send a notification to higher authority or senior persons. Okay, If the critical issue, then it's marked as higher priority for immediate action. If the issue is emergent, its issue is very critical or on top priority. In that case, we can change the label for that ticket. We can also change the status for that tickets to provide the resolution as soon as possible. Then some key actions in these steps: SLA time, ensure timely resolution; accelerate tickets, bypass standard queue for urgent handling. So here is the steps we have mentioned. If the response is not given within a time frame, within a time by agent, the issue will be escalated to the first level authority. Okay, if the response is not given, then it will if this resolution is not provided, then it will escalate to the second level authority. Okay, if the solution is not provided and ticket is being open from very long time, in that case the issue will be escalated to level 3 team. Okay, so there is different level we can configure in the SLA. It depends totally on the clients, what kind of configuration they want. They can customize all those things on their end. Then we have configuration settings screenshot. Here you can see the SLA priorities we have set. In this screenshot, we can see the emergency, high, low, and normal. Okay, so this is the priority created in the system. You can also customize all those priority as per your requirement, and then you can define the rules for escalation. Here is you can see the rules: set due date, approach alert, a violation alert. You can set all those things. You can configure all those things from your admin panel to escalate the issue to higher authority if the response and resolution is not provided within the time frame. Then we have resolution and customer confirmation. So in resolution and customer confirmation, once the ticket is created and the agents start working on it and resolution is provided, so there is some scenario. Okay, once the issue is fixed, the agents send a reply, final reply to the client that your issue has been resolved. So client will confirm from their end. So first one is customer confirm resolution. Okay, once they confirm, the issue will be resolved, the ticket proceed to closure. So this is the agent response. This is the first scenario. And second scenario is customer request further assistance. And sometimes clients are dissatisfied with the resolution. In that case, they want to more troubleshooting. So in that case, we reopen the ticket and we will start the further working on the tickets. Okay, then we have customer is unresponsive. In that, if the customer is not responded over the ticket, if they are not responding from long time, in that case ticket will uh, close automatically. So it's closed because there is some we have some settings in the admin panel. We can have an option to close ticket with the mentioned time frame. If the client didn't respond over the ticket from 2 days or 3 days, we can manage all those things. Okay, so key action in this step: customer receive a final solution update. If no response is received within a set time frame, this system send reminder before auto closing. So once the ticket is closed, so agent will send a final resolution email to the clients. Okay, and second one is customer will receive the reminder emails from our end. We can configure that email from our end, and clients will receive the emails from our end regarding your ticket is getting closed, like that. Then we have a screenshot of change status. Once the resolution is provided, then we can have an option to set the status for the ticket to close. So here is the status option we mentioned. In this status, we have multiple status: open, closed, delete, spam. So you can customize all those status also. You can configure, you can customize, you can rename it as per your requirement. Okay, so once the ticket is once the resolution is provided, you can close the ticket from here. Then we have ticket closer. In ticket closer, once the resolution is provided, then we proceed the ticket closer. The ticket is formally closed when the issue is resolved. Okay, so client confirm from their end, and we close the ticket from our end. If the client didn't respond over the ticket, we can also have an option to configure the settings from the admin panel. The ticket will automatically close from our end if the client didn't respond over the ticket from 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. It depends on us how we can configure that. So closure scenario, the customer confirms the issue is fixed, the system auto close the ticket after a set inactivity time period, and admin forcefully close if the ticket is spam and like that, some spam tickets and other uh, ticket wrongly created tickets. So admin can close those tickets itself from there, and or we can also configure auto close. We can also configure the reject. We can also reject the ticket through workflows. Okay, if the ticket is spam like that, you can simply enter some keywords and you can reject those emails to generate the tickets. So here the screenshot. Once we have an option for to add command on the tickets during closure. So we can add the resolution steps here, what resolution we provided to the clients, what the steps we did. We can add all those things on during closing the ticket. Okay, so key action in this step: close ticket remain in the system for audit and future reference. We can analyze, we can check the tickets uh, from the report section if we required for audit purpose and other things. Customer receive a closer email with satisfaction survey. Okay, so once the ticket is closed, customer will receive the rating feedback link from our side. Okay, so you can configure all those things. You can configure that rating. You can also configure the rating section from your end. You can select the rating is 3 star, 5 star, like that. You can manage all those things. Okay. Then we have reporting and analysis. Once the ticket is closed, and you can monitor all those things from the reporting section. If the resolution is provided, if the you can check the ticket resolution time. You can check the ticket resolution time, response time. You can check the agent performance management report, team performance report. So we have multiple reports. So some of we have mentioned here. So first one is Helpdesk in-depth report, ticket volume trend report, management report, agent performance report. Then we have department performance report, team performance report, performance distribution, feedback rating analysis. So in the management report, we can see overall tickets of the organization. In agent performance report, we can view the agent-wise details of the tickets. And then we have department performance, where you can check the department performance. You can check the team performance. In the team performance, if there is any teams is created in the system, you can check all those reports from the team performance. Okay, then we have a performance distribution. In the performance distribution, you can check the resolve response time of the tickets. In the feedback rating analysis, you can check the feedback ratings given by the clients. You can check if there is any some unsatisfied clients. You can check those details from the feedback rating analysis. So in this topic, we covered the life cycle of ticket. The Faveo Helpdesk follows well-defined process ensuring. So we understand in this topic efficient tracking of the customer queries, prompt resolution based on the SLA, seamless communication between agents and customers, and data-driven improvement for better services. Okay, so we can manage all those things with this. So then we have contact us. You can contact us through our sport email ID. So this is our sport email ID, sport@faveo.com. Then we have WhatsApp number. You can also drop a message on WhatsApp. So then third one is Faveo Helpdesk. This is our website, faveo.com. You can simply register yourself from here, contact us please, and we will see email from your side. Okay, so this is our today topic. Okay, thanks everyone. Thanks for joining. Have a nice day.